The Tesla Cybertruck has been the focus of a great deal of attention and speculation regarding its unique construction that relies on large cast sections and stainless steel body panels. An example of the Cybertruck's unique construction has now been demonstrated in an unfortunate incident on public streets, details of which have been confirmed by the California Highway Patrol to the Autopian. This collision is the first instance of the truck in a real-world collision. Here's the info we have so far, including a report on the incident from California Highway Patrol and now some images of the damaged area of the truck. The crash was reported to the public by Bodia on Reddit, with photos shared to the Our Cybertruck group. The photographs show a Cybertruck blocking one lane, facing off the road with its curtain airbags having been deployed. The second photo of the incident shows a four-door Toyota with significant front-end damage, particularly to the driver's side fender, with the front bumper hanging from the vehicle. According to a member of the California Highway Patrol, the incident occurred at 2:23 p.m. on Skyline Boulevard, roughly half a mile from the intersection with Page Mill Road. Authorities were notified of the crash by an automatic text message after the collision, with a Mid-Peninsula Ranger attending the scene of the incident. Further reports from police indicated that the incident actually occurred at 2:05 p.m. local time. In an initial call with the CHP, the Autopian was told that only one person suffered minor injuries in the collision. The Cybertruck was reportedly registered with the Texas plates to a Palo Alto address, while the 2009 Toyota four-door was registered locally. Subsequently, a report from CHP has become available to the Autopian highlighting more details of the incident. Notably, it states the driver of the Cybertruck shares the name of a Tesla engineer based in San Francisco and was the injured party in the matter. Along with the Texas plates and Palo Alto registration of the Cybertruck, it suggests, but does not confirm, that it may have been a Tesla company vehicle. The two passengers of the Cybertruck were unharmed, as was the driver of the 2009 Toyota Corolla involved in the crash. The driver of the Tesla had a complaint of pain, according to the report, but it was classed as a suspected minor injury and they declined medical transport. Nobody else was injured in the matter as per the report. Further details include that it did not appear that the Cybertruck was being driven under autonomous mode at the time, and that an investigation is ongoing. Notably, as raised by Louis Batelho, the latest Tesla over-the-air update includes a feature that automatically notifies 911 in the event of a collision which triggers the airbags. Thus, the Tesla is perhaps the most likely of the two vehicles to have triggered a call to authorities, versus the older Toyota. Alternatively, the notification could have been made via a cell phone crash detection system, such as are commonly available on iPhones and Android smartphones. It's difficult at this stage to speculate on the circumstances of the crash, with limited information available. For the Toyota involved, we see plenty of damage to the front left of the vehicle, assuming it's totaled. Reddit user Bodia reported the incident as a head-on collision, but the photographs only show the right side of the Cybertruck. If it was an overlapping head-on collision, the primary damage to the Cybertruck would be on the corresponding front left side, which isn't visible from this shot. However, the fact that the airbags were deployed and looking at the damage to the Toyota, it's clear that the collision was more than a minor fender bender. Regardless, it's of good credit to both vehicles that nobody was badly injured. The first real-world Cybertruck crash is of great interest given the rampant speculation around the vehicle's crash safety. Questions remain about how the hard stainless steel panels would act in a crash and the castings that make up so much of the vehicle's chassis. Obviously, the Cybertruck has been designed to pass the relevant safety regulations, but there are still many questions to be answered.